अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं साहिल जाफरी और आप देख रहे हैं VOW92 मेरा फेसबुक और यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मेरे साथ मलेशिया से एक म्यूजिशियन भी हैं, उनसे जानना चाहते हैं कि वो क्या करते हैं, उनका नाम क्या है और कितना अर्सा वो यूनान में हैं, उनकी हॉबीज़ क्या हैं। हाय सर, व्हाट योर नेम?
Dr. Balakrishnan.
Dr. Balakrishnan.
Yes.
Thank you. Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Malaysia.
So nice.
Yeah.
How many months you stay here?
I'm going to stay only 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
What your hobbies?
My hobby is a classical dancer and classical singer, and I'm a magician and I'm a palm reader and medium.
Okay, you palm reader radius.
Yeah.
Okay, you only visit Greece and more European countries.
I went to so many countries. I traveled many countries.
Which countries?
I went to Australia, London, and Germany, Holland, Amsterdam, and India, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore.
Oh, sorry. Which your favorite country?
I love Greece very much.
All right. What you thinking Pakistan?
What I think of Pakistan, Pakistan people are very lovely people and very friendly people, very nice people. I like to friend with a lot of Pakistani people. After all, they and me look same, no different. Only might be the religious different, but the religious can be different, but then their arts and culture same. So I don't think any different from Pakistan and Indians.
And Dr. Bala, I have last question for you. Okay. You living here 3 months, okay?
Yeah.
What you thinking is the life? What is the life?
Frankly speaking to you,
Yeah.
life is zero. Life is nothing finally. You only have to show to people kindness and love and understanding. You leave this world, nothing going to follow with you. Zero. That's why Allah say, always you must pray and understanding people. Don't ever do bad things to people.
Why people every day fight? Why fight house and fight money? Why you trust tomorrow?
Actually, people are fighting for they want. They're greedy for everything. Other people having something, they want that. Other people having something, they want this. The greediness make people a very, very competition life and fighting. No greediness in the life, zero, nothing. We don't want anything in the life.
Okay. One message to all people, all good people. One message for you.
I love all the people have to be kind heart. There is one sun, there is one moon, there is a one water. There's no religious anything. We all open, we believe in God or believe in Allah and we want to be good people. That is the way I believe that.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bala.
Yeah.
Please, I'm especially request you one send message to Pakistani people.
Oh, I really love Pakistan and I love Pakistan people. I got a lot of friends in Pakistani people and I come to Greece, I can meet lot of Pakistani and only they're not that. In Malaysia, so I always go to Pakistan restaurant. I love to eat biryani.
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर बाला, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू जी। हमारे साथ डॉक्टर बाला थे मलेशिया से। उनका कहना है कि पाकिस्तानी बहुत अच्छे हैं और पाकिस्तानियों का मलेशिया में रेस्टोरेंट भी है और पाकिस्तानी बहुत ही प्यार करने वाले हैं। साहिल जाफरी, वॉइस ऑफ वर्ल्ड न्यूज़, एथेंस, ग्रीस।